house there. You can see the driveway. This is pretty bad. That house is just completely demolished. As is that one.
See the foundation. That's, I mean, a few bricks sitting there. That's better.
And there was a house right there, but it's completely demolished. That house is missing about half of it. That was Madison Gilbreth's house. She got a pretty good amount of damage. That pole was completely, like, bent. That big pole had, like, completely...
These guys look like big time.
He got pretty big damage on his front. Did you check out down in that direction?
Yeah.
It's pretty bad down there. I mean, that's pretty much the worst of it. And there's, you know, lack of trees where there used to be trees. Their front porches.
Got hit.
Ooh. Yeah, their front porch got hit pretty funky. They're missing their shingles. And then we're back into, I mean, their fence over there is, like completely knocked down on one side. You see it?
Yeah.
Completely missing an entire side of their fence. And that's pretty much the worst. You can turn it off now. Or do you want to go down to Cimarron really quick? Because Cimarron's where it's worst. Down that way is the first left. That house had trees all over it that went up on the hill. It had all of its trees fell on top of it. So you can see all the stumps where it had trees. You gotta go left. Still the debris, the sign's gone. This is pretty bad. It's a big tree that got uprooted and sawed down. And that house that got completely... That house is pretty much gone now. That was Adrian's friend's house. This is the Clowney's house. That one over there. That was one of the worst ones in the entire neighborhood. That was a 2-level house. They had to crawl out of a hole.
Good God.
And that one, like, the entire front porch is pretty much gone now. It's not really so bad. A lot of people just had, like, broken windows and missing shingles.
Yeah.
Like, you can see that one.
Holy crap.
Has some...
Part of their garage is gone.
Yeah.
That's unreal.
I think that actually might be how it's supposed to be. Hold on, I can't tell. No, I remember now. Yeah, they're completely, I remember now. They completely lost, like, that side. Let me go past it and all. Huh. Yeah, because you can see that their roof is injured pretty bad. I guess they had to completely, like, redo their garage. You see all this debris. And the trees down up there. Mailboxes. God, we are just so lucky. Cimarron Circle is just demolished. Can I turn it off now?